Today I am going to explain about the backend for the mobile application. So here you can check I have made a CMS for the mobile application. So there is API also available. So I am showing the management application. Here you manage the users for the mobile application. Here the CMS has the different pages, right? Like the pages. Here you can manage stories about us, privacy policy, term and condition. So I have created many things for the mobile application. So these are the page about the all the pages available in the mobile application. The event management, we have been managing events, voucher management. So we have been managing the vouchers. So events has number of categories. So based on the category, there is the events. Menu management. So here we have been managing for menus for the restaurants. Offer management, notification management. So here whatever the notification you expect from in the mobile application that will become here. So that's here we have been managing the payments, whatever the payments happening on the mobile application you will get from here. Hope you will like it. Thank you.